Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two lead generation platform, which is Close and Apollo. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Close is great for sales teams that want everything, calls, emails, SMS in one place. It's fast, simple, and made for closing deals quickly. The interface is clean and automation tools help save time. However, it's not ideal for marketing, heavy tasks, or deep analytics. Apollo, on the other hand, shines in lead generation with huge contact database and solid outreach tools. It's perfect for prospecting and scaling cold outreach. The downside is that its data accuracy can be hit or miss, and customer support isn't the best. So in my conclusion, go with Close if you want a smooth CRM for direct sales, or go with Apollo if lead generation and outreach are your main goals. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.